Welcome to the video. In this session, the topic is restricting and sorting data. First, we're going to see how to make use of comparison conditions in the where clause. The comparison operators are used in conditions that compare one expression to another expression or one value to another value. These all are the comparison conditions. First, let us see the example of these operators. Select last name, comma, salary from employees, where salary is less than or equal to 2500 semicolon and an enter. Now here the select statement retrieves the last name and the salary from the employees table for any employee whose salary is less than 2500. Here the explicit value 2500 is compared to the salary value in the salary column of the employee table. In the same way, we can perform these examples using the operators. Let's see the example of the between and operator. The use of between and operator is to display the rows based on a wide range of values. The range that we are going to specify in the example will have the lower limit and the upper limit. So let's see the example. Select last name, comma, salary from employees, where salary between 2500 and 3000 semicolon and enter. Now here it selects for any employee who has salary between these two values, that is between 2500 and 3000. So as here you can see that the employees are having salary between 2500 and 3000. Here the values are inclusive. In the same way, you can also use the between operator on the character values. Let's take an example of the between operator on the character value. So select last name from employees, where last name between, as it is a character, the first letter is in the uppercase. We're going to close the quote and the next name is Lee, semicolon, enter. Now as here you can see that it has retrieved the last name from the employees table where the last name is between the king and the last name Lee. Now we're going to see the example of the inset operator. It is the use of in operator is to test for values in a list. So we see the example. Select employee ID, comma, last name, comma, salary, comma, the manager ID from employees, where manager ID, the in operator, in bracket we are going to specify the manager ID 100, 101, 201. Here you can take as many as values. Now this displays the employee ID, the last name, the salary, and the manager's employee ID for all the employees whose manager's employee ID is 100, 101 or 201. In the same way, you can also use the in operator on the character values. So let's take an example of the in operator on character value. Select employee ID, comma, manager ID, comma, department ID, from employees, where last name in. Now as it is a character, it is to be enclosed in single quote. The first letter would be in uppercase. We close the quote, comma, the second name Vargas. Now here it returns a row from the employees table for any employee whose last name is in these two names in the where clause. We'll see this like and is null operator in the next video. Thank you.